There's day 2. I have no food and water. Gonna have to drink my own piss soon. Do you have any water left?
Maybe like 100 mils left, you know.
Oh, damn.
How it goes. Gotta concern what I got, right? Got 4 more days of this. So that's what? 25 meals a day?
25 meals?
Of water a day.
Oh,
I got
meals.
So you're already becoming delusional, man. It's the lack of water, bro.
Hard times.
Dehydration.
Hey, cheese! Check that out, man. It's only been like 5 minutes.
I know, wow.
Deeper than I
Oh yeah,
thought.
this guy's still alive.
Oh yeah, this one. I'll see this guy in a minute.
Take a shower, bro? Did you take a shower?
Who's this guy?
I just pressed the button. To see the ground.
What's up?
So Joseph, where are we?
We're heading towards the Hazelbrook Waterfalls, so yes, we are here. And basically we're just going to head down and come around, finish this loop and head back the way we came.
Oh, how many Ks is that?
Altogether, 10.
10 Ks. Just keep taking breaks, we'll be fine.
Did you say you get the rest?
What's this, waterfall number 7 or 8?
Too many to fuck out.
Oh my goodness. There's like 2 waterfalls in one. They have nice ones here because like there's sand. The other waterfalls we went to, there was like rocks.
Yeah.
So it's like
Remember the Miro one? Like,
yeah,
that
Miro
was
was
so
like
hard.
full of rocks.
Yeah.
You can literally like just take a shower there. I think Lloyd's doing that now. Day 5 of the hike. We got stuck in some mud.
Don't look at my shoes. This right here is a hiking experience.
What are those? I found a troll under the bridge. Oh, we finally found civilization.
We're gonna ride.
Alrighty,
Joey.
we made it. How are you?
Back is pretty gassed.
Go for another hike.
Pretty gassed.
Hey, we look pretty good for like have just done like how many kilometers?
I don't know. Less than 10. It's not even
How
that
many
far.
steps did we do?
Roughly 15,000.
15,000.
But it's different when you're hiking because you go up and down.
Yeah.
It's different. I think you just run so much that.
Yeah, just chuck it in, guys. You guys want to stretch first? You might regret it later.
She won't, bro.
Where are you?
This door fits. What are you doing?
Oh, what would you rate the hike?
8.5.
8.5.
I could just go on top of the bag.
Shoes is that?
That's mine. You can put it in there. Just shove it in. Yeah. Yeah. Close it when you're done. Yeah. That's cute. I didn't think of this.
Wow! Look at that view! Are you at the sun, you dickhead?
So yeah, we can see the handrails.
It's turning. Get ready, Matthew.
Get ready for it.
Oh!